Hey beauty babes, welcome to today's vlog. I know I look like crap. I already know that. Yeah, don't gotta tell me. Yeah, I've been in bed just like watching TV, being a bum, and yeah, I'm getting nothing done. I really wanted to start off my day with a coffee, but then I realized I don't have any more. So now I'm just a little bit frustrated, and yeah, now I have to drive to go get me some coffee. I think I'm just gonna go to Starbucks. There's a Starbucks right across the street, so I'm gonna go do that. My head is already like hurting, so I know I need some caffeine. I didn't even have no coffee yesterday, so I know for sure that is why my head is like just pounding. Yo girl is just addicted to it, which is crazy, but whatever. 2 days ago, I started cleaning my living room and my kitchen, so this area is clean. Well, kinda, I just messed some stuff up. You guys know that I decided to move my vanity to my bedroom. Let me get some light in here. There you go. Nothing better than natural lighting for sure. So now I just keep the windows open. I don't even have curtains anymore in my room. I just keep my windows open for now. Wow, like my hair looks so silky and so dark. I'm so in love. I straightened my hair a couple of days ago because I wanted it like pin straight for my friend's birthday dinner. And this is like day 2 hair, which I plan on just keeping for a while because I never straighten my hair, and the next time I'll straighten it is probably gonna be like, I don't know, maybe in a year or so. I still have to get my keratin redone because my roots have grown out, and as you can see, my hair has grown a lot. I legit chopped it off the last time, like right here, probably like, yeah. And look, it has grown so much, so I am so proud of my hair. But yeah, anyway, back to what I was telling you guys. Let me show you. Look at this. I legit have to clean all of this, and this is the way I decided to put my vanity. I don't know if I showed you guys this. Do not mind the pillow. I kind of slept a little rough and it just fell there, but yeah, so this is how I decided to put my vanity. I just like stuffed it in here. This chair has to go because I've just been standing up, yeah, just doing my makeup. But this is what happened. When I was doing my makeup for my friend's birthday dinner, I kind of just messed everything up, and I think I'm gonna reorganize and declutter everything. Like there's stuff in there that I need to get rid of, stuff in these drawers that I need to get rid of that I've had for years, y'all, for years. So I'm gonna declutter that today. I mean, it worked out perfectly, and then I just put my nightstand on that side and my fan too. And here is Penny being a little baby because, oh, sorry, do not mind my bra. She's being a little baby right there. You wanna say hi to mommy's beauty babes? You wanna say hi to mommy's beauty babes? Oh, stretchy, stretchy. Stretchy, stretchy, mamas. A stretchy, stretchy. I think I'm gonna just go try to find like a nice silver mirror. That way it can like match my little frame right here. So yeah, I mean, I like the way it's looking. I just been kind of just doing my makeup standing up, and it's not like bad. Plus I have natural lighting, so that definitely does help me doing my makeup and stuff. Then in my bathroom, it is a complete mess. I have to definitely clean this. So again, this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna start cleaning all of this out. I need to declutter everything that I have here. I need to declutter all of this. Who's that? Who's that outside? Who's that, mama? Who's that? She's gonna go bark at the dog. You're gonna go bark at the dog. Oh, no. Guys, look at what I'm wearing. What the fuck? Oh, by the way, guys, now that we're here, I can show you the final touch to the dining room. So I ended up putting the rug that I had in the living room, I put it on here. I just thought it would look a lot better. Plus, it's the perfect size to it. I moved the picture frame over so that it can kind of be centered. And yeah, I am in love with the way it looks. It gives it kind of like a very nice homey feel. I am so in love with it. And yeah, and of course I ended up getting a new rug for the living room, but I just love it. I am in love with the way it looks now. So that's basically my goal for today, is just kind of finish cleaning my bathroom and my bedroom. Of course I have to declutter everything, so I need to go ahead and start doing that. What I'm gonna do is I think first I'm gonna attack the bathroom, and then while I'm doing that I can definitely be doing some laundry as well. But first we need to go get coffee because like I said, I am like, I need to, because my head is just hurting so much and I already know why it's hurting. So I'm gonna go do that and then come back and yeah, start cleaning. I don't know if I told you guys, but I've been actually filming with my Canon G7X camera. The last vlog that I put up and this one here, I've been vlogging with this one. I just feel like it's just been a lot more convenient for me to take this small camera everywhere since it's so tiny. My other camera, which is a Canon M50, that one is a lot bigger, a lot more bulkier. So I don't know, I just kind of don't feel comfortable just throwing that in my purse because it is so fucking heavy. So I've just been taking my Canon G7X everywhere. I still have to definitely order the little back screws that I told you guys this camera was missing, so I still have to order them. That way my screen, the little flip up screen, can kind of just at least be like put, you know. I'm actually at my dining table right now. As you guys can see, I am so excited because I've never really sat at a dining table before. Okay, let me lie. I have sat at a dining table before, but not like this. So I decided to go to Jack in the Box. I know, super unhealthy. I went to Starbucks since it's like right across the street, but there was a long line and I just did not want to wait and I was kind of in a hurry. So right next door was Jack in the Box, and I've actually never tried their iced coffee before. And look, surprisingly, I honestly thought that Jack in the Box was gonna have just like nasty ass iced coffee, kind of like Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A's iced coffee is the worst. Like, never get Chick-fil-A iced coffee. It's just so bad. So I kind of figured the Jack in the Box one was not gonna be that good. However, surprisingly, y'all, it is actually so fucking good. It is so bomb. I got the caramel. I got the iced caramel coffee, and it's actually really good. Let's go ahead and try it out and see how it is. It's actually really good. So I just got done cleaning my bathroom after like 2 hours. I'm not even gonna lie, I legit took like 5 breaks and I was watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. So I just kind of took a little bit longer than expected, but oh my God, I am just so happy that my bathroom is now super clean. Guys, I am so fucking tired. I don't want to clean anymore. I don't even want to start on my vanity. Like, I do not want to declutter anything because I'm just not in the mood for it, but I have to. I just finished washing all of my towels because I didn't have any. I just finished throwing my comforter in the washer, and I think I'm gonna put my sheet as well, and then I'm just gonna dry them separate because every time that I dry my freaking comforter, you all, like, I always burn it. Like, I just don't know what the fuck I do. I always burn my comforter and it just comes out like brown, like burnt. I don't know what the fuck I be doing. I'm thinking maybe like my dryer is just not working properly. I honestly don't know. I'm like all over the place. I also want to have time to go to Big Lots. I think they close at 9. So I'm gonna try to just knock down what the fuck was I gonna say? Totally forgot. Organizing my vanity, and then after that I'm just gonna oh shit, fuck, I have to go put in my sheets. Hold on, guys. Oh, my washer just stopped. You guys, this is so hard. I am like fucking sweating my ass off. I just finished vacuuming my room, and I was dusting some walls too because I had a lot of dust like on the ceiling walls and stuff. So yeah, it's fucking ridiculous. No, go night-night. This is ridiculous. Like, what the fuck? I feel like I've done so much shit today. I think we're gonna start off with this drawer, and I'm just gonna work my way up. And I also have to declutter those little things are, but I think I'll do them later. All of this mess is just makeup that I do use, so I'm gonna I'm gonna leave this here because I know I'm gonna be using this, but I just kind of want to declutter this drawer here. So first off, of course, I'm just gonna take everything down. Shit, I don't think I should have vacuumed because I'm gonna be making a mess. Okay, so I'm just gonna slowly put everything. Oh my god, yeah, this is gonna be messy. Do I even have anything to wipe myself with? No, of course I didn't bring anything. I have legit had this palette right here. It's like cream concealer palette that I got from Amazon. I've had this for over, I would say maybe what? Maybe like, I don't know. I want to say like more than 8 years, to be honest, because I know I was like maybe a freshman or a sophomore in college, and I still have it. I don't even want to get rid of it because it means so much to me. This was like my first major piece of like getting into contouring and stuff, which I used crazy. If you guys go back to my old videos, you guys can see that I would use this all the time. But I mean, it honestly just has to go. Like, it really has to go because I don't use it. And I could really just use the storage. Yeah, this is going in the trash. So we're gonna trash that. I love you so much. Thank you for being my first baby ever, but you got to go, girl. You got to go. And I am just separating all of my eyeshadow palettes here and like my contouring palettes. I've had this palette for so long too, the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This was like also one of my first ones as well, but I still have, I still have a little bit to go. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna throw this away because this shit was very expensive. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep that. And then, like I said, I'm just kind of getting all of my eyeshadow palettes back in here so that I can separate them and just organize them the way that I want. So I think we got some progress going on here. I did end up throwing away a lot of palettes that I just don't use anymore. So that is why it was a good idea to bring a bag, of course. So I ended up organizing my palettes like this. Simply because look at my hand. I legit was like swatching everything. But anyway, I don't really use a lot of palettes like that because I barely even use makeup as it is. Like, even if I do use makeup at work, I do not wear eyeshadow at all. I kind of just wanted to organize them as good as possible so that they can all fit. Right here, I left this space because I'm gonna buy some little container, like those little drawer units where you can just, you know, stack some little things in there, kind of organizers, I think they're called. Yeah, drawer organizers, whatever it's called. I'm gonna go see if I can find some at Big Lots. If not, I know that Walmart does have some, so I'm gonna go pick some up. And that is where I'm gonna stack all of my eyeliners here. So I ended up throwing a lot of eyeliners away because they were just like super old and just dried up. That is why I was like kind of just testing them all out on my hand. So these are the eyeliners that are definitely good to go. And then I have all these little small eyeshadow thingies here. They're just like little small ones, and a lot of these I got in PR, like those little cheapy ones from like Shop Miss A and stuff. But let me tell you all, they are so good and so pigmented that I just do not want to get rid of them. Like, I legit want to keep them. So like all of these like little eyeshadow palettes, like these colorful ones, they're all from Shop Miss A, but they're just so beautiful, and it's just so hard for me to kind of let them go, especially this one. This one is so gorgeous. Let me open it for you guys if I could. This one is amazing. If you want to make like a nice glittery look, these will be perfect. Like, look at these. And they are so freaking pigmented, and I got this at Shop Miss A, and it's legit only $1. The parking lot at Big Lots is so empty, y'all. Like, I'm about to have fun in here. Like, yes, the whole store to myself, of course. So happy about that. So let's see what Big Lots has today. We made it to the makeup section, and I kind of want to see if they have little containers they used to have, but I don't think they do anymore. Oh, by the way, look, they have all this makeup here, you guys. This is actually one of my favorite freaking powders ever. Oh my god, This is one of my favorite powders and they have it here. I have to fucking get me some. I'm trying to take a look at the organizers that they have. I really wanted some acrylic ones like this, but to be honest, I should have measured before because I honestly think this is going to be way too big. These here, I think they're extremely long because they have the handles, so I should have measured because I honestly don't know. Oh wait, look at these. These might work. It's an 8-piece drawer organizer set. It comes with like the little squares. I think this could work. Yes, this is exactly kind of like what I need right here. I just don't like the color. It's like a, I don't know, like an off-white kind of. I wish it was all white or acrylic, but I think this would definitely too. So yeah, I'm just gonna take one of these. And it's only $5, so it's a steal. If this decor is not the cutest thing ever, y'all, look at this. It is so beautiful. Totally my aesthetic. Oh my god, so gorgeous. Look at these plants. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy all of them. This is going to be harder than I thought, for sure. Oh my god, I do need a new doormat actually. This one is cute. Home is where the heart is. Yes, it totally is. Okay, I'll be back for the doormats. Now, oh my god, they have rugs and stuff in here. You guys, this is like a whole furniture store. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh my god. So I found a mirror that I like, which is this one. It's like silver, but it kind of just have like a hint of like gold here, but I don't mind it. Now we have to go get a shopping cart because I'm not gonna be able to carry that. Can y'all tell I legit went shopping at Big Lots? I found a lot of cool things, and most of the things, oh, hold on guys, this is a struggle. Damn! Someone is really honking at me like crazy. Okay, so now this definitely looks a lot better. Now I have all of my palettes there. My little small palettes are here. So I'm just gonna keep them there just in case I just kind of want to grab whatever. Then I have all of my eyeliners in this little container. And then I have all my tiny mini pigments in here, which worked out perfectly. And then my mascara and my primer. I have nowhere to put these babies, so I'm just gonna put them right there in the corner. So these little containers ended up working perfectly. I am so in love with them. I'll probably even try to do all of like my foundations and stuff, but I'm gonna save that for later because yeah, I cannot. I have all of my foundations in there, and then in here I have all of my powders and bronzers and highlighters, of course, and then this baby, which is a drawer that I never ever get into. Like, I just never get into this thing. This is all of my lippy drawer. And guys, I'm not a big fan of like lipstick or anything like that, and to be honest, I don't even wear anything in here. Wow, perfect. This is exactly how I wanted it to look. It looks so good.